So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 18.7.10 just isn't installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing you want to go and just make sure of is that you have a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection set up on your device. Sometimes you might not have either one of those things set up, and that's going to be the main problem here. So go through, make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection set up or you have data on your device. That's going to be one of the first things I'd recommend doing here. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing is to clear up as much storage on your device as possible and make sure you have enough storage saved on your device before updating. So once again, make your way over to your settings application like this, scroll down to your general settings, scroll down to iPhone storage, which we have right here, and then what we're going to want to do is make sure that our storage up at the very top, we have enough storage saved on our device. Sometimes you might not have enough storage saved on your phone, so that could be another issue why this update is just not installing. Now, if that's still not working, you might also want to try restarting your iPhone. So go through, hold the power button and the volume up button right here, and slide the power off. That's another one of those things you're going to want to do here as well. So go through, slide the power off, power down your phone, and that's another very important thing I'd recommend doing here too. So if that's still not working, you can also try updating your iPhone via your computer. That's another option you have there too. So those are the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.